Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the Python tutorial series. In this video, we are going to discuss what is Python, who developed Python, what are the benefits, and basically why Python is very easy to learn and implement. So without any delay, let's get started. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and further developed by the Python Software Foundation. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level, dynamically semantic programming language. It is particularly desirable for rapid application development as well as for the usage as a scripting language to tie existing components together due to its high-level built-in data structures, dynamic typing, dynamic binding, etc. So basically Python is a high-level programming language. It was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python is an interpreted language. It supports object-oriented programming. Also, it is a dynamic programming language. That means it is not statically typed. Okay. So what do you understand by dynamically typed programming language? Basically here you need not to assign the type of the variables explicitly. Whatever you assign to that variable, the type gets updated. We will discuss about this in one of our upcoming slides. So for now, let's proceed. Why is Python becoming so popular? Python programming's dynamic semantics, built-in data structures, dynamic typing, and dynamic binding makes it a handy choice for application development in the IT sector. Moreover, Python is highly used in web development, machine learning, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and in almost all the emerging technologies in the 21st century. Python is much like simple English language, so it is very easy to learn and implement. Basically, what happens, Python is an object-oriented programming language. Not only that, it is also dynamically typed. That makes it, with some of the other features, one of the most handy choice for developers to build applications. Okay. Now we are living in the age of AI. We are hearing about ChatGPT and all other AI stuff every now and then. So in this AI field, Python has an invincible role to play. Not only in AI, but Python is also used in web development in the form of Django and Flask, machine learning in the form of libraries such as scikit-learn, matplotlib, pandas, etc. and also in the field of artificial intelligence and blockchain. Okay. One of the most important features why Python is becoming so popular, the reason is Python is much like the simple English language. So when you code in Python, you need not to think about the semantics. You can specifically focus on the problem solving. That will basically give you more thinking ability to solve any problems using coding. Okay, let's proceed ahead. Why learning Python is easy? So now in these 4 points, I will discuss why Python is very easy to learn even for beginners who have no background in coding. Point number 1. Python programming syntaxes are human readable, as it is concise and the syntax is much like the English language, which helps you to understand the working of the code faster, putting less mental strain. Point number 2. As syntaxes are much like the English language, a beginner doesn't find it hard to learn the syntaxes. Point number 3. Basic practices for writing codes are already built in Python. For example, without proper indentation, the code becomes illegible and it becomes hard to find the scope of the part of a program. But in Python, indentation is a must, and if proper indentation is not done, it throws an error. Basically, what happens in any other programming languages like C, C++, Java, you have a pair of curly braces to define the scope of the variable or function. But in Python, it is not so. We make use of indentation. So if you are poor with your indentation, you must watch out. Okay. The last but not the least, though Python is an object-oriented programming language, still we can do procedural programming in it. The built-in object-oriented feature enables us to simplify the real-world problems and give our code a modular approach. So as I have already said in the beginning of this video, Python is an object-oriented programming language. That means it explicitly supports all the features of object-oriented programming like polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, etc. And not only that, it also helps you to define the blueprints, that is the classes, and create objects from them. Though it is an object-oriented programming language, but still Python also supports procedural programming. That is why it is so popular and also so easy to learn. Okay, let's proceed. I hope you found this video informative. In case you like this video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We are going to bring more videos in future. For any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. So thank you for now. See you in the next video. Bye.